Welcome back to my gaming channel, and today we are back at Build a Plane. Okay, this is part 2. Okay, let's add the things we buy last video, and let's place it there. Oh my god, replacing. Okay, then what? Oh, there we go. I could claim this. Then this. Oh my god, I'm so rich. 1,000 money, bro. Oh wait, why not get no. Hello. Okay, let's a better prepare. Then let's get okay, then let's buy some blocks. There's some fuel. There. Some wings. We are buying everything, bro. Yes! Everything! Oh wait, I also have offline money, bro. I'm rich. Oh, I can also claim this. Okay, then let's do some. Let's make this wing bigger. There. Where did I even buy all the wings? There. Now we're going to get a better propeller. Or I don't even know what to do with the. Just going to stop stacking it, bro. Because my is so big. My plane is so big. Okay, what do I even do with the blocks, please? Right. Yeah, I'm going to make it even more heavier, bruh. Okay, now can we buy something else? Ooh, we could buy it. Delta wing. There, I'm just going to delete. This. Delete this and delete that. Place the Delta wing right there. Ooh, then can I place a block right there? Ah, nah, man. Okay, then let's launch. Oh my god, they're so fast. They're so fast, bro. Is there any of the hose thingy where they make you faster? Okay. Okay, also this is part 2. You can check part 1 in my channel. Oh my god, I'm so fast, bro. I'm scared that we're going to crash into a rock. Oh my god. Oh! Yep. Wait, what is this? Suddenly complete. Oh wait, let's check other people's plane. What is this, bruh? Just going to check another one. Oh, okay. Let's just launch. This time we're not going to crash. Oh wait, there's the speed thing. Go. Yes, I think we're going to crash. We're going to crash. Oh, there we go. Oh, the shop has restocked. Let's just go here. Go in between this. Oh my. This text. Yeah, just sold it, bruh. Text sold it. Okay, so I'm going to buy a missile because I really. Oh wait, oh my god. I thought it was only 1K, man. Oh my god, yes, I do need to. Oh my god, there's that speed thingy again. I'm gonna hit it. Yes. Please do not crash. Please do not crash. I'm too fast. I was close. I'm going just to the left side this time. Did I just run inside? Oh my god, just keep going. Okay, hope we don't crash this time. We are doing pretty good. Okay, hope we don't get shot. We don't get hit. Oh, this is literally scaring me, bro. Oh my god, there we go. Okay, we're going pretty far. Okay, I'm just going to go right here. I think it's cool. Going to go to the left side this time. God, I can't make it. Okay, left side this time. The left. Perfectly fit into here. And then, oh my god. And hit this. Oh my god, that was... Wait, they're saying no. Can I hit it? Ah, my god. I missed it. Oh my god, there's another hole right here. Oh my god, I'm going down. No, I can't hit it. Maybe this. Yeah, bro. Oh wait, my friend is here. Where is he? Where is he, man? I'm going to chat with him. Where is he, bro? Where is he? Oh, there. Oh my god, he actually plays this game, bro. I'm just going to buy something. Oh my god, is this a squid or a jet? I think it's a jet. Okay, then I'm just going to... There are any blocks? Oh, there we go. There anything? Bro, is there even anything? I need more speed. Yeah, more speed equals more distance, bro. Let's get better fuel. Let's get. Oh my god, is there? Oh my god, I can't afford anything, man. There's literally nothing in stock, man. Don't put the bit. Place it right there. Right over there. Okay, now let's place our fuel. I'm just going to place a fuel right there. Okay, I'm just going to place it. There we go. Now let's just run. Please don't drain fast. This. Yeah, you didn't see that. Promise you didn't see that. What the heck is this, man? What is this? And there's not a block right here, bro. It's not matched, bro. Oh my god, what is this guy doing? Mine is so much better, right, guys? Right, guys? Mine is so much better. Definitely so much better. Just look at my glorious stack of fuel, man. Just look at this, bro. She's so beautiful. Right. This is going to place it right here. Oh my god, just barrel of fuel is going to be on the delta wing. Then propellers. Okay, then just I don't know what to do with this, man. Okay, let's go fast. Oh my god, speed. Oh my god, we're fucked. Yeah, never mind. We are not speed, bruh. Oh my god, I did not know it. What's this? What's this? Friend, don't watch this. Can I go down? Yes, I can. Oh my god, I almost forgot it. Yeah, bro, I suck at driving it. Oh my god, I know. Oh my god, how did that not hit me? I'm going to die. How am I not even falling, bro? Literally don't have a wing. I only have one wing. Technically 2 wings on the other side. Oh my god. So bad. Yes, there's the speed portal thing. Okay, go. Okay. Just keep going right here. Oh, just don't run out of fuel. I'm going to go to the hard. Maybe not that hard because it's slow. No, where's the speed portal thing? Because I really need speed. So slow, man. Can I hit the rope? Oh nope, I can't. Oh my god, we're close to my record. Oh yeah, I got fast. Can we even go this? We go to here, then also go to here, and oh thank god, there's a speed portal. There was the other one, I swear. Oh, there we go. Yes, I am speed. Okay, we're going down. Oh my god. Come on, reach 1K before we die. Yes. No. Oh, my fuel. No. Glad we didn't hit that rock. Okay, what's this? Where's there 8 message? Oh wait, it's a global. What the frick? Hi, look at me playing. Hello guys, meet. Milk, I clap my friends. Fun? What the God, I built a plane by myself when I guys on Roblox site. Yeah, bro, I am falling for that shit. Anyways, I'm going to end the video now because what the fuck, man? What do you mean you clap your friends for fun? I'm ending this.